Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi if you're new. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make DIY bracelets. I have been selling these over on my Etsy for the past year and I get so many questions on how to make them, so I figured I'd make a DIY video for you guys to share how I make them. They are on my Etsy, which is listed down below in the description box in case you guys just want to check it out over there. But I thought this would be a fun DIY type video to share with you guys and something fun to do during the summer, especially if you are at home. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you guys do, and if you're new to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button down below along with the bell. That way you can get notified the next time I upload. I have been doing daily videos for the month of May and I'm seriously so excited, and I also have my post notification and comment of the day shout out, so we're going to do that really quick. So the post notification goes out to Nikki, hashtag notification squad, heart, awesome video, love the clothes. That is seriously so cute. I love doing these shout outs, you guys. They're seriously so much fun. If you guys want to know how to enter, all the instructions are down below in the description box, so be sure to check it out. And then the comment of today goes out to Jasmine. You are so sweet and I love your style. Thank you so much. Your guys' comments seriously make me so happy, and I do read and respond back to every single comment, so definitely feel free to leave a comment. I love being able to chit chat with you guys, and then you have a chance to win for the comment of the day shout out in my next video. But let's just get right into the video. It's pretty simple. You don't really need a whole lot. You're going to need a pair of scissors. These are just little safety scissors that I've had forever. I love using them just because they're tiny. I love bringing this stuff with me to the park, or if I go to the pool or something. I love having all of the stuff with me, so just having small scissors I think is really convenient. Then you are going to need some pony beads. Woo, that was noisy. I got these shipped to me from Amazon. I will try to have a link for them down below in the description box for you guys. There's so many different types of beads you can use. They're super inexpensive, which is so awesome, and there's just so many colors, which is always so much fun. So I will show you guys a little bit more in depth of these, but I will have them listed down below. And then you're also going to need some elastic band string. I think that's really what it's called. I don't know if it's string, it's just like elastic bracelet material, which I will try my best to have linked down below as well. So I've seen a few tutorials on how to do this on YouTube, but I want to show you guys how I make them because I think there's like a simpler way. And also, if you guys want, you might want some letter beads, which these come in little bags, and I bought so many of them for my Etsy shop that I have them all categorized in each letter, so they're just kind of organized by the letter, which is easy when you are making tons of bracelets. But I'm going to show you guys how I make these. Biggest tip for this is how you start making the bracelet. And at first I was like, oh my goodness, this is so hard, because if you take your string and you usually want to measure your wrist, and this is what I saw on the tutorial, so you will like wrap it around and then you cut it. And I found that so hard, because if you cut the string and just have the string and put beads on it, the beads start falling off as you're putting them on. So I don't cut the string until after I put all the beads on it. So if you get the same bead kit I do, it comes with this lid, and this is how long I make each bracelet because it fits the wrist perfectly. So I will take the little lid off and lay it down in front of me, and then I will lay the string on top of it. I am right-handed, so I will put the like string thing onto the left, and then I start over here with the side of the string, and then say I want to make an orange bracelet, I'll start putting the orange beads on. But if I want my bracelet to say something, I like to lay it out on the tray. So I will pick the color that I want, or if you guys order it on Etsy, that's the color. Like, I'll find it and put it on the tray so I know which one to use. I feel like Kelly will be fun, so we're going to make a Kelly bracelet. So we got a K, an E, 2 L's, and then we need a Y. And I do have these little hearts, so I'm going to put hearts on the end. And you know what? I think I'm going to spice it up. I don't think I'm going to do orange. I think I'm going to make it like a yellowy white color. I'm going to go for this like pearly white, which is seriously so pretty. So I lay it out like this, and then I'm going to take my string, I have it ready, and I'm just going to start putting the beads onto the bracelet. It's pretty simple, and I'm going to show you guys how to do this, and then I'm also going to show you guys how I tie my knots and everything, because I get tons of questions on how to do that. So once I get like 5 or so beads on it, I'm going to start putting the letters on, because it doesn't matter when you put the letters on because it's going to roll easily. And so I'm going to get them all on there. You want to make sure they're on the right way, like all up the right way. I like to put the little hearts on each side. I just feel like it adds a really fun touch to it. And then I put the other bead on, and then I'm going to fill up the rest of the tray length of beads. These are so much fun to make for friends, for family. You can wear them yourself. I think they're a perfect summertime accessory. They're seriously just so stinking cute, and I kind of feel like they're like a fun, youthful vibe as well, and kind of got really trendy with the whole VSCO girl trend last summer. So once I have it, once I have it the length of the tray, sometimes I like to add an extra one just to make sure it's like not too tight. I will make sure there's about 3 to 4 inches on each side of the bracelet. So the beads are laying in the tray, and then I will cut it off over here like that. And then I pick it up so all the beads are in the middle, and I will take the strings and match them up and drag the beads down. And then I'm going to pull them and wrap them around my finger a little bit and wrap the bracelet inside of it and make a pull knot. I think that's what it's called, I'm not really sure. And then you just kind of tighten it down. And then once you get to this point, you're just going to make those little 4 knots that you do when you make friendship bracelets. So I like to make 2 of those, so that way it's kind of tight. And then I will do the same knot that I did before. And I've never had any issues with this. No one's ever told me like the bracelet broke. Of course, you do want to be like more gentle with it because it is like a handmade bracelet, but it's pretty durable for the most part. I've never had one break on me. And so we'll just do a few more. And then once that's done, you have like this extra string, which is a lot, but honestly I'd rather have too much on top of it than having the issue of the beads falling off. And then I just kind of cut it. And then that is your bracelet. It's seriously so simple, you guys, and it's so much fun, and these are so much fun to give as little gifts or just kind of like mail to people. So such a super cute accessory, and you can make them completely custom to you. You can add all the different colors if you want. It doesn't have to be one solid color. Be sure to check out my Etsy shop, which is listed down below. I have tons of bracelets, tons of inspiration over there, and they're only $3, and if you buy 3 you get 1 free plus a little Kellyprepster sticker. So be sure to check it out. I do write like little handwritten letters and everything with it. It's so much fun. But thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you guys did. Again, if you're new to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button so you can get notified the next time I upload, and I'll see you guys back here tomorrow with my new video. Bye guys!